Hey everyone, welcome back to Greg's Natural Health. Today, we're diving into an ancient practice that's been gaining serious attention in the wellness world, Qigong. If you're into holistic health, mind-body connection, gut-brain axis stuff, or just ways to feel calmer and more vibrant as you age, this one's for you. Qigong is a traditional Chinese practice that combines slow, gentle movements, deep breathing, and focused meditation. The word Qi means vital life energy, and Gong means cultivation or work. So it's literally energy cultivation. It's been around for thousands of years as part of traditional Chinese medicine, and modern research is showing it's not just feel good, it's got real, measurable benefits for health and longevity. Before we jump into the benefits, let's quickly clear up something people often ask. What's the difference between Qigong and Tai Chi? Tai Chi, full name Tai Chi Chuan, is actually a specific style that evolved from martial arts roots. It involves flowing sequences of postures like a choreographed form. Think 24 or 108-step routines. And while it's fantastic for health, it has those martial applications built in with more complex, continuous movements. Qigong is broader. Like its parent category, it includes hundreds of different exercises, many simpler and more stationary or repetitive, focused purely on building energy, health, and relaxation. Tai Chi can be seen as one advanced form of Qigong, but Qigong doesn't have the martial side and is often easier to pick up for beginners. Both are amazing, but if you're looking for something accessible and sustainable long-term, Qigong is a great entry point. Now, let's talk about why Qigong might be one of the best-kept secrets for natural health and longevity. It's not magic. It works best alongside good nutrition, sleep, and movement. But the research is surprisingly solid across multiple areas. First up, cardiovascular health. Studies show consistent Qigong practice can lower blood pressure, especially in people with mild hypertension. It improves circulation, boosts peripheral blood flow, and may enhance heart rate variability, a key marker of nervous system balance and resilience. It reduces stress on the heart, and over time, it can lower overall cardiovascular risk factors. Next, one of my favorites, stress reduction and nervous system balance. Qigong activates your parasympathetic rest and digest mode, drops cortisol levels, builds resilience to psychological stress, and supports emotional regulation. Chronic stress speeds up aging at the cellular level, so calming the nervous system like this is huge for longevity. On immune function, research points to increased natural killer cell activity, better immune markers, and even fewer upper respiratory infections in some adults. It may help modulate chronic inflammation, which is a major driver of aging, and it's been used as supportive care during cancer recovery, though it's never a replacement for medical treatment. For cellular and anti-aging effects, early but promising work suggests Qigong improves antioxidant capacity, reduces oxidative stress, and might even support telomere maintenance, those protective caps on your DNA that shorten with age. These tie back to its stress-lowering physiology. Musculoskeletal benefits are excellent too. It improves balance and coordination, cutting fall risk in older adults, enhances joint mobility, builds gentle strength, and reduces chronic pain like low back or neck issues. It's low impact, so it's sustainable for decades, making it perfect for long-term joint and bone health. Cognitively, Qigong sharpens attention and mental clarity, may slow age-related decline, and improves sleep quality, which supports brain detox during deep rest. Mentally and emotionally, it reduces anxiety symptoms, helps with mild to moderate depression, stabilizes mood, and boosts overall sense of well-being. There are also metabolic perks. There's some evidence for better insulin sensitivity, reduced abdominal fat when paired with lifestyle changes, and appetite regulation through lower stress. And sleep, big win. Better duration, depth, fewer insomnia issues, and more balanced circadian rhythms. Since poor sleep tanks longevity, this is powerful. So why does Qigong support longevity so well? It hits multiple pillars at once: deep stress reduction, inflammation control, gentle movement without wear and tear, nervous system regulation, better circulation, improved sleep, and even social benefits if you practice in groups. The best part? It's incredibly sustainable, gentle enough for almost anyone at any age, and you can do it daily without burnout. If you're new to this, start simple. Try a basic Baduan Jin, 8 pieces of brocade routine. It's one of the most researched forms. There are dozens and dozens of teachers out there on YouTube that you can follow along with, and I'll put a link to some of my favorites below. Have you tried Qigong? Drop a comment below. What's your experience, or what health goal are you hoping it helps with? Hit like if this resonated, subscribe for more natural health and wellness deep dives, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And check this video here for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay vital, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.